I feel angry with somebody bullying me. I feel embarrassed when I am reporting in a prank. When I'm bored, I'm playing basketball like that. And last time I'm happy when I'm running to around the neighbors. Um, I'm sadness when I'm sadness when the past few months I'm broke out. I'm worry when I'm teacher called me in front of time oral discussions.